It seems, it looks like you have given a tough fight. So how do you see that?
Wow, first of all, I would like to thank the Taligaon cars who have voted for a change. I think so. This has been a history in Taligaon to come that close. It's almost around 2,000 difference. And if you see the winning candidate, the total number of votes that they got was 5, 420. I'll repeat, 5, 420. Alright? So this is very important to realize is because we have fought against the biggest mighty people who are fighting with money. We know that a lot of money has been gone through to a lot of people and it's been a constant battle on ground. So being a simple group that wants a change and a lot of Taligaon cars came forward and said, we want a change. And this shows, this number definitely shows and everyone's actually congratulating me saying that Cecil, you've given a tough fight. I mean, we didn't want to stand for ZP, but we didn't want to get the opposition just let go and just win. So that's why we stood by, we fought, we didn't give money, we voted for honest politics and we wanted to work for the people. If you can see, their motto was clean, green, which I'll specify, green and plastic free Goa. That green caption which is there symbolizes agriculture, and if you can see what's happened in Goa and in our Taligaon right now is they've taken our farmers' fields for a new Panchayat Ghar. The Monserrat family has so much of land, they could have easily gifted it to the Panchayat Ghar. On top of that, they've grabbed it out from the farmers. So this green caption should be removed out because they are not promoting agriculture. There's sewage being dumped continuously into the fields. So people of Taligaon, those who have voted for BJP, please think what you want. It's not about the party, but think about the people who are in the party. Are they really working for Taligaon or are they working for themselves? So requesting your CCP elections are coming close by. Chitun tumi vote marat because this is the time that your fundamental right, that is your voting right, that we have this ink. Vote for what you want, vote for a change. You can see what's happening in Goa, drastically what the BJP is doing for the common man. And you can see with the Mole issue, with our fields issue, with the coal issue, with the Melauli issue, there are issues and issues and issues. So guys, please, everyone's educated, please see, educated, the uneducated also, that that you vote for a change, and that is mandatory. And this is the team, guys, so thank you the team. Woo! This is the team that really worked hard on ground level. We were intimidated. We also saw that people walked into a lot of booths without identification. So I have got one in Odshell and we have already done the report with the RO. So God knows how many more votes have just come like that, without identification.
But one more thing is that to say that getting leads in 4 votes is not bad.
My God, that has never happened in Taligaon. So I really, today I'm not sad, but I'm so happy because this is the first start of the battle. It's victory, 4 booths to win. And during the assembly elections, I didn't get so much of votes in Taligaon as the Panchayat level. I got more in the CCP level side. So requesting people watch what's happening and it's amazing. I got 4, I was leading in 4 booths. That's kudos to the people of the booth, especially I think so Nagali it was. Nagali, then we had the electricity department side, we had Kyone and Rosary school side. So, appreciate Yobore Koro, for voting and bringing in the bigger leads in this particular areas.
Now another 1 year time, then assembly elections. So you have time?
Yeah, we have time. There's so much to do. We've already the team is ready to start painting speed breakers because it's been almost 1 year that we put a proposal down to the Panchayat saying that safety comes first for the Taligaon cars, and they have painted only 6 speed breakers so far out of 14 which are pending to be done. So the team is ready. We are giving Panchayat another 4-5 days time to please start painting speed breakers before Liberation Day. Others, we are coming down as last year we had started before Liberation painting speed breakers. We are going to come down on ground. So let people see whether what is the present Panchayat giving. Are they for the people or for themselves?
Congress supporting you was an advantage?
I think so. Whether it was our Congress, BJP also must have been supporting me because that Datta Prasad was just left. And Mrs. Monserrat was given an opportunity on the BJP ticket.
So
I don't know, but around everywhere because sometimes I have friends who are BJP supporters also,
Oh,
and
you
they
have
were
taken-
very
you have taken the name of Datta Prasad.
Sorry?
Also. You have taken a
because
name.
I fought against Datta Prasad in assembly elections,
That's
and I
why-
know how his wife was telling me about it, how they fought the assembly election because I was new that time. I was just a baby over there. So I knew, and she cried literally saying that when will Talegaon people want a change? And today, when I see, like, a lot of my friends who are BJP supporters, that, they felt bad when Montserrat was given the ticket. Because everyone knows he's got cases against him and rape cases against him. I, being a woman also, would never vote for somebody like that. So people, please, monitor who you're voting for. You all also have wives at home. You all also have daughters at home. See who's leading us. These are the people you want to be led with. I don't know what else to expect more. So, I don't know. Judgment is in your hand. Democracy right is yours. So please vote for a change.
But overall, if you go to see the trends, the way it is going on at the moment, how do you think these issues which were there, like Save Mole, then in the other three projects, coal issue and all, do people have really thought about what we need for Goa? You think so?
Like I think so. If you all, some of you all interviewed, I think so, Mrs. Montserrat. She said, coal doesn't affect Talegaon cars. She doesn't have a clue that in our own Donapal area, that coal is being affected. I have friends whose nieces have got black feet and they said the coal affecting. She doesn't even know that the Donapal and the port is just bank opposite and it gets affected. She has no clue. She doesn't even know that the fields were not being cultivated. She said on Google Map. Through Google Maps she's checking. This is our MLA who sits at home and sees through Google Map and who doesn't have a clue what's happening. It was a shame that she even said that on yesterday's interview when you all interviewed her, saying that Talegaon is not affected. But people should realize that Goa is getting affected as a whole. Why would I? Because I'm born and brought up in Vasco and I know that coal gradually how it affects the people, and it's a fine particle and it moves 15 kilometers and Talegaon is getting affected. So, Mrs. Montserrat, wake up. Know what's happening in your own constituency. Roam around, you'll get to know.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, guys.